All right, so this boat here is a nice big fat wide 20-foot boat. We're not going to be using it as a boat. We're going to use it as a dock down in the lake. It'll be right at the edge of the lily pads. I don't know if you can see them down there. And I'm going to have anchored from the front and from the back of the boat so that it doesn't move, and then we'll just take our canoe out to the edge of the lily pads where it is, and it's going to be set up. So I bought these underwater pool lights on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. They will screw down on the sides like so, and so that it can charge. It's solar with its own little battery, and then this guy will go under the boat, and I'll glue this panel down to under the boat so it'll be lit up under the boat, and it's just a little magnetic thing, so you can actually take it off and put it back on, you know. And they change any colors. They come with a remote, you know, so you can change colors. It can fade, jump, all that other stuff. They turn on when it's like dark. It's got a thing in it that God dang, guys, dear Lord. But it's got a thing that'll turn on when it's dark. Let's see. There it is. It turns on when it's dark. And then turns off when the light comes out and it charges. So at nighttime, it'll be on in the pond, attracting the bait fish, which attracts the big fish. And you know, when we are out there, it'll be nice and glowing under the boat, and it should be great fishing in a month. It's great fishing in this pond anyways. The bass are huge. But I'm thinking this will be even better. And then I'll be putting like a ladder on the side that's out away from the lily pads, so we can go swimming, blah, 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 blah. All right, so again, I'll put these in the link description below. So I'm gonna go ahead. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to set this down. I'm gonna look at the edge of it, underneath the edge of it, because there's a little part that screws down, that slides out of the thing. So it comes up to the corner pretty good, but I'm gonna set it up there, mark it off, and then go from there. So I marked it off with a grease pen on the edge, but you see the lip of this bottom piece is in about, yay far. So we're going to go back from that mark slightly. So I marked 2 drill holes. It's not that much. That's going to be pretty perfect. All right, got it screwed down, and then this hopefully just slides right in. Like so. Now I'm actually going to probably super glue where it slides in as well, just so that it doesn't just pop off and fall in the water as well. But yeah, that's it, guys. Easy installation. It actually comes with the screws, and it comes with anchors in case you gotta, if you're putting in your pool, you gotta drill holes in your concrete or whatever and then put it down. But yeah, peace. Yeah, I would actually probably find some kind of sticky tape instead of screwing it into the lip of your pool. That's it's not really the greatest idea, but whatever. There you go. Peel the little thing off, so it gets nice full charge. It doesn't look too horribly bad, I guess. Peace.